Designed and manufactured by Teledyne Ryan Aeronautical, Firebolt has served the defense forces of the free world for over a quarter century, with subsonic threat replication approaching Mach 0.97 at 57,000 feet. Firebolt 2 provides supersonic threat replication at speeds of Mach 1.75 and altitudes of 60,000 feet. Soviet anti-ship cruise missile threats approaching the Mach 2 threshold are replicated by the dual ramjet-powered Firebrand target. According to performance data published by the authoritative James Aircraft and Weapon Systems Sourcebook, however, threats posed by the Soviet Mach 2.5 Flagon and Mach 3.2 Foxbat-B aircraft, plus the Mach 3.5 ASX air-to-surface missiles, perform beyond the capabilities of existing target systems. The only target capable of realistically replicating these ultra-high performance threats is the Firebolt high-altitude, high-speed target system. Firebolt's extraordinary performance capabilities, Mach 4 and 100,000-foot altitudes, provide a realistic replication of aircraft and missile threats for decades to come. Without this target system, our defense forces are virtually untested against some of the world's most formidable high-altitude, high-speed threats. Firebolt is a follow-on to the former U.S. Air Force HASS, high-altitude supersonic target. It is in full-scale engineering development and is expected to go into full-scale production following flight tests. In its final full-scale configuration, the target's overall length of 204 inches, fuselage diameter of 13, and gross weight of just under 1,300 pounds, facilitates air launch from standard fighter aircraft, requiring no modifications. Carried on the center store position of the F-4 Phantom, the Firebolt drops away at a typical mission launch speed of Mach 1.5 at 50,000 feet. Firebolt's propulsion system is a hybrid rocket motor consisting of solid fuel billets and liquid oxidizer with a maximum thrust of 1,200 pounds. Once combustion is initiated, it continues burning, with thrust controlled by varying the amount of oxidizer injected into the fuel drain port. Firebolt exhibits the latest state-of-the-art advances in mist-distance scoring, radar augmentation, and radar tracking systems. This equipment is sealed in a watertight compartment to prevent contamination in the event of a splashdown. With the primary mode of recovery, the Mars mid-air recovery system, Firebolt escapes the effects of splashdown and ground impact damage, thereby reducing turnaround time between missions. Firebolt's components consist of a nitrogen tank, oxidizer tank, turbine air inlet, ducted power unit, recovery system, flight control electronics, fuel drain, and aileron actuator. Drawing on more than 3 decades of aerial target experience and technology, Teledyne Ryan Aeronautical is on schedule to establish new milestones in ultra-high performance threat replication with Firebolt, a target system with potential for growth into the 21st century.